In this video, I'll show you how to clear a paper jam on your Canon PIXMA MegaTank printer. Usually when you have a paper jam on the screen, you're going to get the error 5100. And this simply means that there's something stuck inside, and I'll show you 3 different places where you can get this thing unstuck. So let's get started right away. So the first thing you need to check obviously is where the paper comes out. If your tray wasn't extended, go ahead, extend it. And if you see the paper, well, just pull it out. You don't have to turn off the printer to do what I just did. Another place where you can go is on the back, where the paper goes in. Here as well, sometimes paper, or sometimes it's not a full paper, it's just a small part of it, can get stuck over here. So if you see something, go ahead, take it with your hands, or if you have a small tweezer, go ahead and extract it. If this was unsuccessful, you can also lift the top lid of the printer. Usually it has a small gap here on each side that you can take off. Okay, and this will give you access to the internals of the printer, and you'll have a better view, and hopefully you're gonna see something stuck there. Sometimes the paper bits and pieces can be stuck under the print head carriage. So just go on the sides and try to take a look. Because if this carriage is not able to move freely on its rails, well, it will give you this error message. So go ahead and remove the paper if you see any. At the end, you just have to close the lid. And on the screen, there's a good chance you're going to have this message. So what you need to do now is to press this power button to turn off the printer. Wait until it shuts completely off, and then power it back on. The message should go away if the paper jam is clear after the printer boots up. And if you are trying to print using a smartphone, you should now have a green check mark telling you that everything is fine and you can keep using your printer. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment also down below, and I'll see you in the next one.